The United Nations Children Fund has appealed to the captors of the 176 villagers abducted during the attack on Woro community in Kayama local government area of Kwara State to release them without delay. The agency expressed concern for children, pregnant women and elderly victims in captivity who urgently require medical attention. UNICEF Chief Field Officer Gerida Birukila made the appeal in Ilorin, the state capital, after leading a delegation to the affected community, where the organization donated 400 wash and dignity kits to the Kwara State government to support displaced villagers and prevent possible disease outbreaks. Birukila disclosed that Woro community was largely destroyed during the early February attack by suspected bandits and called on stakeholders and humanitarian organizations to mobilize support for the affected population.
And around 176 women and very young children were kidnapped. The community is not even able to grieve the dead and mourn the dead because in almost every family, a child or a mother is missing. We saw a father whose 14 children were taken. We really call on those who took the community members to release them, especially the young ones who are very young, pregnant women who are in captivity who need the care that is necessary for them to deliver safely. So we hope that they will heed to this, and we are also asking those who are involved in negotiations to really do it fast and request that they release the pregnant women, the young children, the vulnerable, including the elderly who are in captivity. And we ask other people to come and support the Woro community. Our presence really brought hope, and I know the entire world heard of what happened in Kayama, and they know that they are not alone, but they need to hear this from us. They need to hear that efforts are being made to bring back their loved ones. And some of the efforts are visible, like the security, which is already visible. And some of the efforts also are there that they have sent health workers. We need more volunteers that they can go there and support.
She added that while the first batch of 400 dignity kits has been delivered, another 1,000 units are expected next week to further assist displaced residents, alongside UNICEF's support for healthcare service in the community.
These are 400 dignity kits. We are sending another 1,000 in a week's time, and it will go a long way to support the community. So the dignity kits had several items to enable people like to fetch water, towels, sanitary pads, soaps, water treatment, and even containers to be able to keep water. And we'll do more. We have also established health facilities and healthcare that is looking after people.
The Secretary of the Kwara State Emergency Management Agency, Sadu Moshood Mogaji, and the Commissioner for Water Resources, Issa Aremu, commended UNICEF for the timely intervention, noting that the relief materials would bring immediate relief to affected villagers.
We really appreciate what UNICEF has done to the people of Woro and in Kwara State. That's Kayama local government. This item will go a long way. The state government has been doing it since the incident happened. If it's continuing to do it through SEMA. So this one that they brought by UNICEF is very, very good. It will be useful for the kids and the adults there. So we really appreciate, and the state government appreciate what they brought for us.
Yes, the message is simple. It is a message of hope and resilience for the people who have been affected by the unfortunate incident that happened in Woro community in Kayama local government area of Kwara State. And this intervention is very laudable because we understand that it will not eliminate the grief they are currently going through, but at least it will give succor to people who have been affected in the unfortunate incident.
The UNICEF Wash and Dignity Kit contain 19 essential items, including bathing soap, laundry detergent, and towels, aimed at helping displaced residents maintain hygiene and gradually rebuild their lives. Abiodun Oluwatuyi reporting for Curious Television News.
This is Curious Television, a professional online-based television committed to promoting truth, balanced and objective reportage without fear. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels. Curious Television, fearless pursuit of truth.